My name is Jose Ferrer. I work for Rico. I'm managing the automation initiative in Rico and working here for the last couple of years. I've been involved in the automation area for the last 15 years. When I joined Rico 2 years ago, they had started the program on 2019. When I joined the team, there were like 30 processes, 30 different processes, and they were about to scale. And I think when I joined, we were able to scale the program and make it more stable. We finished the migration from V11 to A360, and we finally scaled from 30 processes to 50, around 50 in 1.5 years or something like that. Well, listen very much to the different users and try to leverage what we have done in the past with other processes. We have different use cases with dealing with Excel files, with ServiceNow tickets, CRM records. I think for new members of the team is entering into a new way to do things with the different tools that we use in Rico. Well, I think we are now approaching the new fiscal year in Rico, and my recommendation is to scale the program and grow very much. We have been proving that the technology is useful for us. It brings benefits. It saves time from different resources in different areas, and this is about scaling and promoting automation everywhere. Rico has their own Rico Business Services company. They use automation heavily in customer support, collections, billing. Also, we have separate Rico Europe supply chain company. They are based in the Netherlands and they use automation anywhere extensively also. We work for HR, centralized here in London, for IT, of course. We do a lot of different processes in IT, and also finance. Finance is a very big user of us, and getting confidence on what we can do for them and growing in the kind of services that we can provide to our finance department.